In today's video, we're going to dive into the top 3 meme coins and explore which one that I think it's going to make a big splash in meme coin narratives.
We'll talk about each of these coins in detail, and I'll explain why I believe they're set for major growth. Whether you're new to the world of meme coins or a seasoned pro, you'll get a sense of why these particular coins are ones to watch. So, stick around as we break down the potential and the excitement surrounding these top base meme coins.
Let's kick things off with an impressive stat according to CoinGecko research. In the first quarter of 2024, meme coins skyrocketed by over 300%. This explosive growth far outpaced other crypto sectors like real-world assets, which grew by 286%, and areas like AI, DeFi, and GameFi. This signals a massive wave of interest and investment in meme coins, highlighting incredible opportunities for potential gains. But first, I want to talk about 3 crucial factors for meme coin success based on a Twitter post by Ansem. First, they must be relatable. They shouldn't be complicated or filled with confusing concepts. The beauty of memes and meme coins is their simplicity and accessibility to the average person. Second, they need to be viral. Meme coins should be easy to understand and share, which is inherent to the idea of a meme itself. I've often discussed how important this is for meme coins over the past months. Lastly, fair distribution is key. If the coin's distribution is even and not overly concentrated with the team, it reduces fear and builds trust among investors. In essence, my 3-step process for a successful meme coin is having a strong meme, effective marketing, and practical utility, which aligns perfectly with Ansem's outline. I think one of the main reasons meme coins will do really well is because we're already seeing a lot of interest from celebrities this June. Take Iggy Azalea's meme coin, for example. It's crazy to say, but her coin has already hit a $88 million market cap just days after launching. It started at 0.005 and shot up to almost 0.08. That's a huge jump, and she's been promoting it like crazy. From what we've seen historically, when celebrities get into the meme coin craze, the peak usually comes a few months later. This means we could see some pretty wild gains in the next few months if history repeats itself. There are definitely positive things to say about this trend, but you need to know what you're doing.
Before we dive in, I want to point out that these coins have very small market caps, making them highly volatile. The money I've invested in them is money I can afford to lose without regrets. Remember, this isn't financial advice, just my thoughts and observations. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.
This month has been rough for crypto. Sure, Bitcoin hit its all-time high at the start of the month, but since then, the volume and traffic have been dead. We need something to change. Now we're looking at Dog with Hat, ticker SWIF. It's currently trading at 223, up 8% in the last 24 hours, with a market cap of $2.2 billion. That makes it a top 43 coin on CoinMarketCap. In terms of volume, it's at number 14, with $550 million, which is insane. There are a lot of articles talking about great things happening with this project. One article mentioned how it slumped 30% in a week, but then reversed, which is why we're seeing this pump now. Over the month, it's down 36%. It had a massive nosedive, but is now pumping a bit. Remember, this project was at $4 at one point, so it's down more than 50% in the past month alone. It was anticipated to hit $5 during the peak of the bull run, with some even predicting $10, so there's a great opportunity to pick up some SWIF. Some indicators are in buy, but moving averages are in strong sell. The overall summary is a sell, which makes sense given it's down 36% this month, but up 15% on the day. We're getting mixed readings. It might dip to $170, but I anticipate it will go up, although there will be volatility. On the week, it's been dipping and pumping repeatedly. Now we see a reversal, and I predict it could go to 0.07 or $2 next, with the market sentiment being very bearish. Despite the bearish sentiment, there's some bullish news too. People are talking about Dog with Hat, and it's becoming popular. It's literally just a dog with a hat, and that simplicity is appealing. We don't need meme coins with 125 integrations and complex utility. Sometimes we just want a simple meme coin. While some utility is good, we need to make meme coins great again. Pepe Coin is down 25% this month, but could it hit new all-time highs in July? It looks promising. Next up, we're discussing Pepe Coin, which has grown remarkably from the bear market to breaking all-time highs recently. Despite a dip, it's poised for another big move. The crypto market is showing mixed signals. Bitcoin is at $62,000, Ethereum at $3,500, and the Fear and Greed Index is neutral at 45. While there's been some red, we're seeing signs of recovery. Interestingly, Pepe Coin isn't trending now, but it has bounced back from critical support levels, suggesting it might pump again. With a $5.3 billion market cap, Pepe is a top 23 coin on CoinMarketCap. Keep an eye on Pepe Unchained, a new Layer 2 blockchain for Pepe, offering better speeds, lower fees, and high staking rewards. It's already raised $700,000 and is set for more growth. While technical indicators are mixed, with sell signals dominating, this might be a strategic time to buy. Pepe's strong social media following and community support add to its potential. Always do your own research before investing. Let me know in the comments if you're bullish or bearish on Pepe.
Meanwhile, billions of dollars are expected to flow into Coinbase's Layer 2 base, fueled by extensive marketing and potential collaborations with influencers like Mr. Beast. Coinbase aims to onboard 1 billion users by promoting base chain and meme coins, targeting new users before expanding into more serious products. Recently, Brett became the first coin on Base to hit a $1 billion market cap, and more coins are expected to follow. Coinbase's strategic follow of Mr. Beast, who has 271 million followers, suggests they might collaborate again, as they did in the past. This could significantly boost the Base ecosystem and Coinbase's new smart wallet. Even if Mr. Beast doesn't come on board, Coinbase has the financial power to push Base Chain, with a reported revenue of $1.64 billion in the first quarter of 2024, surpassing expectations. What's more, Jesse Pook from Base can't stop talking about on-chain summer. They're planning to heavily market Base Chain, focusing on meme coins and their new smart wallet. It might sound crazy, but Coinbase knows that pushing memes is the best way to get users on-chain. Imagine what could happen if a meme coin or the Base mascot received support from Coinbase or got listed on the exchange. It's not a matter of if, but when. Jesse Pook, a key figure behind Base, said on Twitter or X that memes are cultural movements and will play a massive role in our on-chain future. I were skeptical at first, but now I see the potential. So, let's talk about Brett, a character cooked up by Matt Fury, the same mind behind Pepe the Frog.
Brett's not just any meme coin. He's the first in the Base ecosystem to hit a whopping $1.6 billion market cap. While Pepe's got this massive Twitter following, Brett's still building his with 97,000 followers, showing there's plenty of room to grow. See, positioning Brett as Pepe's best bud creates a cool storyline and ties him into that whole Pepe universe, which could really boost his popularity. Plus, being part of Matt Fury's Boys Club comic adds some backstory and depth. And get this, there's another meme coin on Base that could outshine them all in growth potential. Stay tuned to find out who could be the next big thing in Base. In the meantime, once again, I have to remind you that the Base ecosystem is known for its volatility and susceptibility to scams, making it crucial for investors to exercise caution. Even coins like Toshi or Mochi are subject to significant volatility, so it's essential not to invest more than you can afford to lose. The ecosystem is flooded with new coins, many of which are scams or honeypots, making investing in new pairs risky. It's important to only invest what you can afford to lose and remain vigilant against potential scams.
All right, if you guys did find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe our channel for more useful content in the future. Thanks for watching, and feel free to let us know your perspectives in the comment section. One more time, we're Whiteboard Invest crew, and welcome on board, my friends. Peace out.